Yhtiö Vantaan Ravurin puisto.
Yes, Kaviokuja. Hästhusgränden 6 take say here in Hakunila, Hokaspää, Vantaa, Vanda, Helsinki, Sivos region, Uusimaa, Finland. And today is the 2nd of July 2021. Here's the capacity is 4 birds or 305 birds. Actually, inside is the original models.
No.
Strange. Well, we have been to be here. We got inside by going through the bike storage. And this was built in 1991, turning 30 years old this year in 2021. And for some reason they have these strange call buttons from the mid-1990s. We changed them early on. There's a durable button here. And let's go to the 6th floor, 7 floors here. The serial number is 442282 and it will be inspected in next year, 2022. Second right.
Missä teet poikki vai meidän kouni?
Cone is glass on the door.
Yeah.
That's because it's maintained by cone.
Yeah.
But that is nice.
Yeah.
Because maybe somebody was maintaining here in the mid-1990s, someone different. That's why they put some different buttons.
Yeah.
Didn't catch it.
Yeah.
Oh, stupid situation, I mean.
Yeah.
But I think we can just go out because
Yeah.
he's going. That's it. Next question.
That's